how did you make your resume look at all relevant to business with all the kind of did you have any internships kind of going through, or how were you able to tailor your resume in such a way that made it look like somewhat business related?
So I did a lot of volunteering stuff. I didn't really have any business internships, but I'd volunteer, and I'd been definitely involved as like a leader on campus through extracurriculars.
Okay.
And then it was really kind of telling the story at the time about any involvement I'm involved in outside of my classwork. Usually it's run with these such and such basic principles of business. So if we're like recruiting people, we're looking for the most kind of competitive fit for the leadership positions on our campus. Or when it came to managing our budget, we set up a pretty tight process of kind of reviewing, the money we're spending and making sure we're kind of allocating effectively.
So you had
And it was kind of telling those narratives.
You had some good stories. You had some good narratives to go along with the leadership positions you held, even though they were volunteer. Coming out of it.
I think it requires just some honest introspection of like what is the thread that can kind of tie things together. And even if it's a loose thread, I think, that's where you can kind of exert some of your passion and your personal interest and your drive, and it'll kind of help kind of seal that up a little bit, which is really helpful.